Welcome to another video in my global cooking series featuring the cuisine of Lebanon. One of my favorite things to make and eat are stuffed peppers, and I especially like the Lebanese version of stuffed peppers, which are called filfil mishi. Arabic speakers, please forgive my pronunciation of Arabic through this series, as it is one of the languages that I find very difficult to speak. Once you have all the components for this dish, it is a very fast and simple recipe to put together. To make my version of Lebanese stuffed peppers, you will need one recipe of Lebanese meat and rice stuffing, also known as hashwi mishi, 8 to 10 cubinel peppers, one 29-ounce can of tomato puree, one 10.7-ounce can of condensed cream of tomato soup, and water. While you can use any type of pepper for stuffing, my favorite is the cubinel pepper, but you can use any pepper you like. And if you don't like peppers, you can easily swap the peppers out for eggplant, tomatoes, onions, or squash and still follow the recipe. For even cooking, try to get peppers or vegetables that are about the same size. Here I have my washed cubinel peppers and my hashwi mishi for stuffing. I have 8 cubinel peppers, and I like to rough portion my filling before I start, but you certainly don't need to do so. There are many ways to cut the pepper for stuffing, but the easiest and fastest way is simply to cut off the top, remove the seeds and the ribs. In addition to the taste, another reason I like to use cubinels for Lebanese stuffed peppers is that they have very few seeds and ribs to remove, making them very easy to clean, as you can see here. Today, I am stuffing half of my peppers with the traditional rice and meat hashwi and half with my low-carb version, which uses riced cauliflower. Now take the filling and push it firmly but carefully into the hollow pepper. You want to get the filling all the way into the bottom of the pepper, but be careful not to overstuff because the pepper can split open. Keep pushing in the filling carefully until you feel that the pepper is full, and then continue filling the rest of the peppers in the same way. I had a bit of extra filling after finishing the peppers, so I'll just make some balls and add them to the sauce. Now let's mix together the cooking sauce. For 8 peppers, I use one 29-ounce can of tomato puree and one 10-ounce can of condensed cream of tomato soup. Mix the two together well to combine. As you can see, I'm mixing right into my cooking pan. Now just add your stuffed peppers to the pan in a single layer in the sauce. You just need to add enough water to cover the peppers, and I start by adding water to each can to pour over the peppers, and it's usually about the right amount. As you can see, I had some extra filling left over, so I just rolled them into balls and I add them right into the sauce, tucking them in between the peppers. And now you're ready to cook. These stuffed peppers will fill your kitchen with the most amazing smell as they cook. Bring the sauce to a boil over medium-high heat and then lower to a simmer and cook covered for about 35 to 40 minutes until the peppers are tender and the filling has cooked. Once the peppers are tender and the filling is cooked, that's it. You now have a pot of delicious Lebanese-style stuffed peppers. A little extra sauce on top, and let's give these a taste. Fork tender, the pepper and the filling are both well cooked and it looks delicious. I love these. They are so good. I do hope that you give this recipe a try. It's easy and delicious. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to be notified of future videos.